This is Dave Espino, and today I'm answering the question, can I earn passive income online? And the answer is yes. I've been doing it for over 18 years. And so let me tell you a little bit about my story of how I've been doing it, but it is absolutely possible to earn a passive income online. To put it very simply, here's the process. Number one, you start with a digital product. Number two, you use a proven sales funnel to sell that digital product. Number three, you drive traffic to your sales funnel, which sells your digital product. And that's it. Passive income is the result. Now, there are many different ways to do that. You could create mini sites. You could set up an affiliate setup. You could do all kinds of things. You could do reviews of products that live online forever and bring traffic to you. But the way that I've succeeded at and I've done really well at is creating how-to information or how-to video courses. Now, I've sold millions of dollars worth of my how-to video courses, and it all started with one little ebook. Okay, I wrote an ebook back in the year 2000 about eBay. And in this ebook, I gave some great strategies. I taught some great tips that I was using in my eBay business to be successful. I had no idea when I started writing this ebook that I was going to turn that ebook into a $3,000 a month ongoing passive income. Now, back then, ebooks were still kind of a novelty, right? Nowadays, you can go get an ebook in the Kindle store for $2.99. But back then, my ebook was selling for $29.95. I had an upsell for $49.95 and another upsell for $69.95. So what I did was I set up a simple sales letter page that sold my ebook and then also offered some upsells. Now, we call that a very simple sales funnel. Then I drove free traffic to that page. Back then, what was really good for traffic was writing articles. So I'd write articles and I would publish them on these article directories. And these article directories ranked really high in Google and they were doing really well. And so I'd get all these people coming to my page because at the bottom of the article I would say, Dave Espino is the author of Beyond eBay. If you'd like a free excerpt of his book, Beyond eBay, click here. They would click the link. They would end up on my landing page, my sales funnel page. They would get the free excerpt by opting into my email list, and then they would read about the book, and many of those people would buy the book right off the bat. But those that didn't buy the book right off the bat would still be on my email list, and they would be receiving a string of emails every few days about eBay, helpful tips, and each one of those emails would bring them back to my page to buy my book. And with that simple little system, I was able to turn that into $3,000 a month in passive income. And let me tell you, the first time that I made a sale, it was amazing. I was just blown away. I woke up one morning, I checked my email, and there was something from ClickBank, which was the payment processor that was processing payments for my book. And it was an email from ClickBank. I wasn't familiar with it, and it said something like, you have money or you've been paid or something. And I looked at it and it's like, oh, $29.95. Oh, I made a sale. My book sold, and I shared it with my wife and she was excited. So somewhere along the way, somebody had visited my website out there on the internet. They maybe had read one of my articles. They visited my website, clicked on the buy button, bought my ebook for $29.95. Somehow that sales page convinced them to buy my book, and that was that. And that was the beginning of me falling in love with the information products business. Now, since then, I've gone on to online courses because online courses are a far better digital product than an ebook. Online courses have much higher perceived value, and online courses can just as easily be digitally delivered as an ebook. But you can sell online courses like I do. I sell my online courses for $97, $297, $497, $597, $997, and $1,497. And I've sold online courses along with coaching or mentoring for as much as $5,000. So the beauty of an online course is it has a much higher perceived value and it allows you to sell a lot more. The other beauty of this course is the passive income that you get. So just as exciting as when I first sold my ebook for $29.95 is the other day I woke up and I saw somebody had bought one of my larger, higher ticket courses for $997 while I slept. And that was amazing. So if you want to learn more about the business, what I call the world's most perfect business, I recommend you get my book. Right now it's available as a download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. I'm going to have a link to it down below this video so you can check it out on YouTube. If you like this video, if you like this kind of content, if you're interested in online courses and making money with online courses, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.